Namaskaram to one and all. Today I will be teaching Lingashtakam in the Raga Shivaranjani set to Adi Talam or Chaturshayika Talam. This song is written by Sri Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya. This is in the Raga Shivaranjani. Shivaranjani is a Kararapriya Janya. I will show you the fingering and simple gamakas. This is on Lord Shiva, Lingashtakam. Without delay, let's look at the fingering. Today I have kept in the D sharp pitch. I tuned my violin into D sharp. So let's see the fingering now. D sharp pitch. This is a pentatonic scale, Shivaranjani Raga. See, this is the Chaturshrishabam. Riga Sadharana Gandharam Gatu Pa Da Chaturshri Daivatam Datu Tarashajam Sadā Pa This is a Bhāsanga Ragam because the Ga, 2 Ga and 2 Da will appear. Depends on the while traveling, if you while playing Alaparam, while playing songs, you can come across the foreign note. Let me show you. See here, Dasariga. See here, instead of Sadharana Gandharam, Antara Gandharam also appears. So this is a speciality. In Shivaranjani Ragam, the Da also make an important role. Instead of Chaturshri Daivatam, the Shuddha Daivatam also appear. So you have to slide from the Da 2 to Da 1. So this is also will come in the Shivaranjani Raga. Let's go to the songs now. So Kararapriya Janyam, you all know Kararapriya. This is Kararapriya, Medakarta Ragam. In this Ragam, Shivaranjani is Janyam. Okay, let's see the songs now. The notation I'm displaying in the description box. In description box, you can see the notation script. and also I will display here just for practice purpose, so it will be helpful for you. Okay, let's look at the fingering now. So Re is a point finger, we know, and Ga is the middle finger, and then each bow carries one swara. The Da is lower mantra Da. Re gamak, re gamak, gamak. I'm playing gamak. Just I'm hitting the ma. Okay. So this is a part of gamaka. That's all. Ma is not there, but the tip is touching there. That's all. This is simple gamaka. Padavagare. Re. Okay. The first part of the song. See the gamakam. The ga, the second note. Just I'm putting some pressure there. The second note I'm hitting more. I'm highlighting. Okay. Okay, see. You can take it in the same string, the pa. Magari. Once again with more gamkam. Please observe. Hope you understood the gamakams. Let me move on to the second part. See the two da appears here. Shuddha Daivatam also comes here. From Chatusha Daivatam to Shuddha Daivatam we are sliding here. Please observe. Again. Again. The second time I am taking pa 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 da, there is a ga ga pa da wa. Ga pa ga re re. Okay, and take ga pa ga re re. Again, the second part. Please observe the gamma comes fingering. We can take in the past string also. Pa 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 da da da. Dari, one bow. That's how you take in one bow. Pa 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 da da. One bow. See, observe the bow. Ga pa da pa. Okay, once again the second part of the song. Hope you understood the Lingashtakam. It's a loop song Okay, this is you have to keep repeating. I mean, first part, second part, the first part, second part. The brahmamurāri, the lyrics will keep changing. Okay, you have to keep repeating the song. 8 pyara, so 8 stanzas you have to repeat. Okay, so please practice and send me. And then the ending stotram is there. There's a Lingashtakam yedam punyam. That Lingashtakam, the prayer is optional, but anyway, I will show you. We can so sari re sari sada the sari re re sari sa sari re sari sada the sari ga the sari re re sari sa. Can keep it like that. Okay, again, once again. Okay, so this is optional. You can, if you want, you can play that also. Okay, hope you understood this Lingashtakam. I have kept the karaoke at the end of this video. I will give the karaoke link in the description box also. That's in the D sharp page. Please make sure you are violin tuned to D sharp page while doing practice, while learning this song, and you can play along with that karaoke music. That karaoke music is especially done in D sharp page, especially for instrument players. Okay, so please practice along with karaoke and send it to me for correction. Thank you so much. Hope this video is helpful for you. Please comment, give your feedback. Thank you. All the best. Namaskar.